Whoa, man, hey, you clicked on this video. I really appreciate it, man. So right now you are in the correct place. My goal for this video is to teach you how to create your first AI agent. I'll tell you the tools that you should use. I'll show you everything. My brother, in the next 10 or 15 minutes, you'll learn how to create AI agents. Anyway, my name is Max. I have a huge experience and background in IT industry. Right now I'm creating the best AI community, AI Elite Club. The goal of this community is to connect really talented people, where you can find your partners, your clients, and where you can learn a lot from me and other people. If you want to be a part of AI Elite Club, just join and tap on the link in the description. We can start. So, the first of all, my brother, be with me. Do not watch TV, do not listen to the music, do not read any books. Right now, only you and only me, and we are studying with you right now. So, actually, what we are going to use to create our first AI agent. As you can see right now, it will be n8n service. You have two choices. The first one, n8n, the second one, make.com. I've tried make.com. It's a really great service. A lot of connection inside. But you know what? It's not enough to create really cool AI agents. In n8n there is a great feature that allows you to create AI agents. So first of all, open Google, n8n, and let's go. Here is the main page of this service. It's really beautiful, it's really useful, but I'm not going to describe the landing. So here we have sign in and get started. For you, the correct button is get started. Here you should enter your full name, company name, confirm email address, password, account name. Kind of easy, right? So I'm not going deeper here because you can do it, I believe. And start 3-day trial. There is no possibility to use it really free, but you can have 14 days to try it. But my advice to you, brother, buy it and use it. This stuff can create a lot of money for you in future. After you're signed up, you can see this screen. So this is kind of the admin panel. You can see here your workspace. It should be the same for you, my workspace. But if it is another title, it's okay. Here you should tap to open it. You'll see here nothing. I have 4 agents, receptionist and content creator AI agent. It's from my previous video. If you're really interested in this topic, please subscribe and check that videos. These videos help you to learn, to understand how it's working. But right now, you don't have anything, right? Tap on create workflow. On this dashboard, you are going to create your first AI agent right now. What you should understand about AI agents, what actually it is. It is chain of actions. First do this, after do this, step 3, step 4, step 5. It's kind of algorithm that you are creating, but nothing so complex. Do not think it's pretty hard. It's really easy, and I'll show you right now. You need entry point. What is it, entry point? It can be everything. Your AI agent should understand when he should start working, right? He can start working on just click. It can be webhook on your website or in your app or somewhere else. You can just call the endpoint and your agent will be started. Or you can use 99% guys is using chat. About the chats, so we have kind of 3 chats right now here, integrated chats: Telegram, WhatsApp, and internal chat of n8n. For this video, we need to create your first AI agent, and we are going by the simplest way. We are going to use internal chat. Tap on the plus button, chat. And you can see chat trigger. That's exactly what we need right now. Right here, you don't need to do anything. You can make this chat publicly available, but we don't need it right now. And as you can see, we have the first node, chat. Let's try to test it. In the bottom of this screen, you can see button chat. Hello. Oh god, no one answering us. We are pretty alone here because we need to create our AI agent. In terms of AI agent, let's start. Tap on plus button. And you can see here advanced AI. That's what we need. So here there are a lot of options. Some of them you can see right now because of me, brother, but yeah, like this, I hope you can see it. But we need AI agent, right? Tap on this. Let's not discuss it right now. Let's go back to canvas. So here you can see we have some inputs and output. Inputs that AI agent is using, it's kind of the tools. Chat model, it is brains of our AI agent. It should be pretty smart, right? Memory, it's kind of the brain storage. If you want your AI agent to remember something, you need to put some memory for him, right? We can't live without memory. The same for AI agent. And tools. This is the magic stuff here, because our AI agent will use tools by himself. If you are not understanding something right now, it's okay, brother. It's okay. You are a newbie. You are watching this video because you want to understand it, and I'll do my best to make it happen. Let's open our chat agent. Here you can see that we have by default json.chat input. What does it mean? When we are entering something here, our message starting from here, right? And it should goes in our AI agent, because we really want, when we start message, our AI agent should receive this message. And it's pretty logical. So when we are typing something here, it goes to AI agent, and you can see this arrow. And when we open this agent, this is chat input. On the left side of the screen, you can see some input. Input is what is going to our AI agent, right? Session ID, action, chat input. So right here by default, we are using chat input. If you remember, I sent hello. So chat input is going here. Chat input, chat input. It's working automatically for internal chat. For Telegram or WhatsApp, you just need to do like this. Drag and drop it here, and that's it. This is our AI agent, and you can add option and add system message. So what is it, system message? System message is kind of the prompt for our agent. Right now you are helpful assistant. We will change it a bit later. Let's go back. Right now our AI agent can't do anything because this guy has no brains. Let's tap on plus here and let's select the model. As you can see here, we have a lot of great models, but we are going to use OpenAI connection, OpenAI chat model, right? Tap here, and I already have my OpenAI account, but no worries, I'm going to show you. So you should open your OpenAI. Just type in Google OpenAI, create an account, and open settings. Settings is here. After this, create new secret key. You can name it however you want, like test, default project, and create secret key. After this, you will see kind of the API key. It will be so long, just tap on copy. After this, you can come back to your n8n account and paste it in API key. So you should just create new credential. For you, it will be the first one because I have already. Create new credential and paste it here. That's it. Right after this, your AI agent will be working. You can select your model, but by the default, it's GPT-4o mini, and it's more than enough. So right now our AI agent is pretty smart. Let me chat something. Hey, hello, how can I assist you today? My name is Max. Let's use another name, I don't know, something kind of Jack. Nice to meet you, Jack. Okay, tell me please, what is my name? I'm sorry, but I can't know your name. But man, I just told you my name. That's the issue, right? He's pretty smart, but he can't remember anything. That's why we need to add memory for him. In terms of memory, we have a lot of different options, as you can see what we can use. But in 99% of cases, you are going to use window buffer memory, the easiest way. So by the default, if you are using internal chat, you can see this session key, json.session ID. Session ID, it is kind of ID of your session. It's pretty logical, right? ID of your chat session. If I'm chatting with my AI agent, he should understand that it's our chat between me and him. If another person will do the same, he should understand it, right? This is session ID. If you're going to use Telegram connection, you should drag and drop session ID. What about context? Right now, by default, we have only 5. Yes, you can see here how many past interactions the model receives as a context. He should understand the context. I like to do it like 10. It's pretty enough. If you have a really long conversations with your AI agent, it's better to make it not 10 but 30. Okay, memory is done. Let's try one more time. Tap here to delete, tap chat. Let's refresh it to create new chat. Hey, my name is Jack. Jack, how can I assist you today? What is my name? Your name is Jack. He knows me, right? We fixed it. And the most interesting part, what we are doing right now. So this AI agent can plan. What we are going to do, this AI agent will create some kind of events in our calendar. For these purposes, we want to use Google Calendar, right? So let's tap on Tool. So tools, it is kind of the logic of what our AI agent can do. As you can see, here is a ton of different tools. You can use another workflows. You can make HTTP requests, a lot of stuff. But right now, we just need Google Calendar. Let's type it here, calendar tool. Let's add it. So right now, I need to connect my Google Calendar. For Google Calendar, it's pretty easy. So you should tap on sign in with Google, sign in, and that's it. It will ask you about the access and you just enable all and select it. It's not like this for every Google service. Some of them are pretty complicated in terms of connection. But lucky you, I've already created video on how to create these connections with Google services. This video, please check it. It's really helpful. After this, you will see your connection here. And right now, what we need to do, you need to understand that AI agent is pretty smart guy. The point that he can do the work for you. You don't need to even think about this, okay? It's by default set automatically resource event and we need to create. Let's select calendar. From this list, I selected my time calendar. And it's really important that we need start date and end date. Start time, end time. So here is by default now. Sometimes it's by default fixed and just empty and we can select. But man, I want to my agent do this. I don't want to select the time every time, right? It's not so great. I want to just tell him and he should create. We can do this. Let's select expression. And as you can see, we have kind of JavaScript stuff here. No worries, there is no code, it's kind of a little bit. In new versions, you have button here and you just tap this button and it will be automatically filled by AI. But in older versions, you need to do some stuff. I'll show you, no worries, my brother. 2 brackets. Right after this, you need $sign. And after this, we can see a lot of comments here. We need some information from AI. AI should fill it. We shouldn't even think about this. And we have it from AI. I made this and you can see it's red for some reason. No worries. Let's just use quotes, 2 quotes, and name this field. You can name it however you want. I'm always doing this. If this field name start, I will name it start. That's it. What does it mean? It means that AI will fill this field automatically. You don't even think about this. That's the point of AI agent. What about the next one? The same, my brother. Right. 1, 2, $sign from AI. Quotes and end. Looks like it, but no, because we have start date, we have end date. What we need title. We tap on add field and here is summary. It fixed. We can name it, but everything will be named like this. We don't want to do this. We want expression, the same stuff, my brother. 2 brackets, $sign from AI, and I'll call it short title. I just want to call it short title. You can call it summary, you can call it lol, whatever you want. And that's pretty it. That's pretty it, my brother. This is my calendar. Right now it's about 1 p.m., right? Let's try and see what we have. Please plan a meeting 2 p.m. Name it my bro. I don't know. Okay, he started working. He's calling Google Calendar and he created this. Let's check it. I can see this. Let me update the page. No, it's not working. Why? We can see it here, my bro. What's the issue? Let's try to find it. Yeah, my bro. But it's October 2023. Oh, no. That's not what we need. Let's remove it. Guess what's the problem here? It's really important to understand that it's pretty smart AI agent, but we need to give him an understanding of our environment of today's date. It's the same stuff as with the window buffer memory. We should help him. We made memory for him, but we didn't tell him what is now. You understand it. Me understand it, but AI agent doesn't understand it. Let's open AI agent and let's go to system message. Your helpful assistant now is and let's use expression, because if I going to try to do codes here, you can see nothing happen, but I need to toggle expression, and let's do this, and you can see now. This will help our AI agent to understand now. After this, let's just help him, because sometimes we have ton of tools. In most cases, you have a lot of tools here. First of all, the best practice is to rename it. Let's rename it create event. Create event. Let's go to AI agent, call create event tool every time when. Okay, I made this like this. Your helpful assistant now is now call create event tool every time when you need to create an event in calendar, right? It's pretty logical, and our AI agent will understand this. Really important, if you want to make this guy so clever, you can put more information here. You can tell him how he should act, what's the algorithm of his actions. Now let's try one more time. Let's create kind of new chat, reset, just tap on refresh. Hey bro, I have a meeting today at 5 p.m. meeting with Jackie. Okay, let's try. Launch. So he's working. You can see that he's working right now. He's doing some stuff. He created the event. Okay, your event meeting with Jackie has been successfully scheduled for today at 5 p.m. Cool. Let's see. Open calendar. Yes, for today at 5 p.m. we have meeting with Jackie. We made this, my bro. This is first AI agent. As you can see, it is not so complex. I hope that you got the logic of working with AI agent. It's pretty easy. On my channel, you can see a lot of different AI agents. I'm trying to show it every 2 days. This is a pretty new channel, but my goal is to be the best channel in terms of AI agents. Only you and only me. I created AI Elite Club. This community is for the guys like you, for newbies, for advanced developers, for businesses. If you want to be a master of AI agents, join it. Link in the description. Subscribe this channel. Check a lot of videos here. It's pretty interesting for you, I know. Thank you so much. My name is Max. Have a nice day. I hope you like this video. Tap on the like button and put some comments.